your National Weather Service forecast for Pharr, McAllen, and surrounding areas. Today, sunny. Highs 98 to 103. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Low 75 to 80. Southeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs 98 to 103. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Heat index values 105 to 107. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Low 77 to...
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. The National Weather Service in Brownsville detects these receivers every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or severe weather in the area, on Wednesday the test is postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning variation, only more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver. This concludes the test of the NOAA